In this video we will discuss about the question that were asked in the 69 BPSC maths question. We will discuss. I mean, we are a bit late, but it's okay. I think it will help further in the upcoming examinations of BPSC. These questions are in the form of slides, and you can see here all the 10 questions that were asked in the 69 BPSC and the explanation that was released by the board, and we were not bit satisfied. Now, so I'm here to clear it. I think most of the questions were easy, and if a few questions that have doubt, then in this video I hope it will be cleared. So now we shall start without wasting time. There are 10 questions, and these are from set A. Okay, we should start now. So first question, you can see here, the code is given for game. That is, for game the code is given, whatever it is, dollar, division, star, and percentage. For bed, similar thing is given. Okay, and we have to how will the word made be written in that code language. So now what we have to obtain from these given hint, made. Okay, MADE. Further we will see here, you can see for M, here is M, so you will see in the fourth position here is star, so for M it will be star. So asterisk we say it in the computer language. So here this option and this option will be eliminated, remaining B and C. From here it will, if we will see the second, then here both are division. Okay, so we will move towards the third. Here D, it signifies as, here you can see D, it signifies as multiplication, so I think option is C. Now further we will see next question. I think it is clear. Yeah, just we have to see about the D, and it is here what we have seen, D is equal to multiplication. So here is the multiplication in the fourth, so C is the correct answer. Okay, now we move further. In 142, Q travels towards this. So let me be clear, there are four directions, north. So I think all of you watching video graduated or anything else, I will explain here: north, east, west. So these knowledge should be in your mind. Q travels towards east. Let us, this is Q and he travels towards east. Okay, fine. Further, M travels towards north. This is M and he travels towards north. Fine. S and T travels opposite direction. So whatever will be the direction, S and T will be in the opposite direction. So here we will left this portion for further. T travels towards the right of Q. See, if you are moving towards east, okay, here Q is moving towards east. If you are moving towards east, and someone tells you or asks you to turn right, then you will move towards this direction, towards your right hand side, and obviously it will be south direction. Okay, it will be south direction. So here T is traveling towards south. You can say that T is traveling towards south. Further we will go back to the question. S and T travel in the opposite direction. S and T travel in the opposite direction. So S will move towards north. That is out here. Which of the following is definitely true? M and S travel in the opposite direction. No, here we can see M and S travels in the same direction. So this may be wrong. S travels towards west. No, S travels towards north. Traveling towards north. T travels towards north. No, T is traveling towards south. Further, M and S travels in the same direction. Here you can see it is clear. M and S are traveling in the same direction, so option D is the correct answer. Now we will move further. If there is any doubt, mention in the comment section. Now further, this question: a man Ramesh who owns a plot of land 100 square yards. So here it is 100 square yards. So we will underline this. Increases his plot by acquiring 10% more from his neighbor Suresh. So here is Ramesh and here is Suresh, his neighbor. So he have what? 100. Simply consider it as rupees 100, and he, by acquiring 10% more from his neighbor Suresh. Now who also owns 100 square, here also 100. Now Ramesh is acquiring 10% from Suresh. So now 10% of 100 will be what? If you have studied, then 10 upon 100 multiplication 100, so this will be equal to 10. So 10% of 100 will be 10. So Suresh lent Ramesh, or otherwise we can say Ramesh acquired 10% of Suresh's yard, okay, whatever land. So now what will be the scenario? He will give his 10%, means Suresh left with 90, and now Ramesh have 110. Okay, now this is clear. Further, after 2 years, he sells back 10% of the total land. Now who is he? He is Ramesh. We have started with Ramesh, so he sells back 10% of the total plot to the neighbor. Neighbor, who is neighbor? He is Suresh. Neighbor Suresh. I think this is clear. Now we will move further. 10% means, if you will see 10% of 110, 10% of 110, what will be it? If you solve it, it will be equals to 11. So what he has done, he sold back 10% of it. Means there was 110 yard of 110 yard of land land left with Suresh. He sold 11 yard of them. Now what left behind with him? It will be equals to 99. Now we will move towards the final part of the question. See, now Ramesh left with 99 and he sold back 11 to the Suresh. So Suresh will have, earlier he had 90 square yard, now he have 90 plus 11, 90 plus 11. So finally he have 101 yard. Now we will come to the question. Here question says Ramesh land is more than Suresh. Sorry, see, Ramesh land is 99 and Suresh have 101. So this may be wrong. Suresh land is more than, yeah, both are equal, none of these. So the correct answer will be Suresh land is more than Ramesh. Option B is the correct answer. I don't think you have any problem. So now we will proceed forward. See, this is our meaning of the words odd pair. Here we have to say, see, millenary are those who say women's hat, sell women's hat. Those are called millenary. Brewery, sell a beer brewery, you can say, who sells beer. Okay, stationery, who sells writing material. So now we will, and snowberry are those who are arrogant, ghamandi in Hindi we can say. So millenary hats, I am told, who those people who sell women's hat. So they are millenary. This is correct. This is related to hats. Brewery, those who sell beer. So alcohol, beer contains less percent of alcohol. Stationery, those who sell writing material. Writing material is paper. And snowberry, what? Snowberry means it's arrogant. So this may be wrong. But we have to find odd pair. Odd pair is snowberry and soup. So D is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move forward. This may be easier. What should come in place of question mark in the following number series? So 132, 156. Here is a difference of 24. You can see that. Here is a difference of 30. Here is a difference of 32. You can see there is a difference of 2 to 2. If we will go further, I guess here will be the difference of how much? 26. So we will add 56 and 26. We will get 182. Let's cross check it. If we will add plus 28, after adding 2 into 26, we will get 28. If we will add 28 to 182, we will get what? 210. So I think it's going good. So B is the correct answer, 182. What sequence we are going? 24, 26, 28, 30 and 32. Okay, I think we are good with this. Now we'll move further to the next question. See here you can see in this question 41, 49, 37. Here you can see here is 49 and here is 35. Both are multiples of 7 into 35 is 7 into 5, and what 49 is 7 into 7. Now from where this 7 and 5 came? So now we will see. If we will subtract 37 from 44, we will get 7. If we will subtract 53 from 58, we will get 5. So similarly, when we subtract 41 from 52, we will get 11, and we will multiply with it the 7 and we will get 77. I think this may be clear. Now we will move forward. Read the conclusion given the statement and conclusion carefully. Decide which of the conclusion logically follow the statement. Here is the statement, here is the conclusion. First, in one day cricket match, the total runs made by a team where, for example, say India made how much? 200 runs in a one day match, of which 160 runs were made by spinners. So 160 total runs made by spinners. So I guess Jaddu, Kuldeep, they have made together. 80% of team considers spinner. I don't think so. The opening batsmen were spinners. How can you say that? Okay, so neither 1 nor 2 follows. So this is the correct answer. Now move forward. I think this was easier a bit. Here in a code language, great is written as say 1182620. Monk is written as 1324111. What we have to find? Vigorous. See, first of all, we will see this table. You have to learn this, or backward order and forward order position of the numbers. Simply when we add them, it will be equal to 27. See, the backward and forward number, for calculating you don't have to draw a table. If you know any one of them, you can calculate it, because the sum always will be equal to, let us consider L. See, 12 is the forward order position and 15 is the backward. What is the sum? 27. Similarly, I will say the trick, ISO-T trick. This will be helpful to you. ISO-T. E will be 5, J will be 10, O will be 15, P will be 20 and Y will be 25. Remember this. E, J, O, P and Y will be 25. is OT is the trick. Okay, now we will go to the question. See here, G is equal to, I have told you a trick, E is OT. See, we will implement this. E is 5, so G will be EFG. G will be 5 6 7. Here G is 7. Okay, now we'll see R will be RST. T is 20, then R is 18. Okay, it is clear. R is 18, here it is given. Then E is 5 and its opposite is 22. I have told you in this screen, you can see that E, here you can see E 522. Now it is 22 here. And A I told you, again see in this screen, A is 26 and 1, so A is 26 here, means we can see that E and A have reverse order, and T is 20. It is the forward order and not the backward position order. Now we will move forward. Monk M, the forward order of M will be how much? J M and O, means is 15, M and O 13. M will be 13, here it is given, here it is 13. O is 15, here it is given 12, means it is in the reverse order. Here O is in the reverse order. Okay, O is in the reverse order. Then N O 14, it is in the forward order position. And K 11, it is also in the, you will say J is 10, then K will be 11. Okay, now we will move towards the answer one. See here it is vigorous. We have what we have observed here, the vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, they are going towards the reverse position. What we have seen, they are going in the backward order position, A, E, I, O, U. So here we will simply do that. V, what is the number of V? T, U, V. T is 20, then V will be 22. Here is 22, here this will be struck off. Okay, now I, what I have told you, that vowels, in the vowels they are going in the reverse order. So here is I and IJ. I is 9, so when we will add 18 into 9, then it will be the reverse order. 18, here is also 18. Now we will just go to the last one, it is S. Here is 19 and 20. T belongs to 20 and 19 is S in the forward order. So the correct answer will be, see here S, it is 19. So the correct answer will be A. I don't think you have any problem here. So we'll move forward. See, this is also the odd one. We have to find the odd one. See here, we'll go from the backward. ZAB, here is the ZA, means here we have only one in between them. WXYZ, here we have two in between them. Okay. And then there is W QST QRSTUB, then W, means we have 5 here, 1 2 and 5. Okay, now here we will see that KLM, here we have 1 between them. HIJK, we have 2 between them. And BCDEFGH, means we have 5 between them. 1 to 5 is the pattern. Okay, wherever we are going, 1 to 5 is the pattern, difference 1 2 and 5. Okay, now we will see HIJ 2, here it is a doubtful case. Now we will see VWX, means here is also only one alphabet between them. So we are seeing the difference of 1 alphabet, 2 alphabet and 5 alphabet between the given alphabets. And but what we have seen here in the WCGJ, there is a difference of 2 alphabet in the last, so it is the odd one. So it is the answer. Now last, 4 branches of company are located at M and OP. M is in the north of N. So earlier I have told you the order of the directions: east, west, north, south. Okay, north, south, east, west. Okay, so say here it is, M is in the north of N, so here is M, and let us consider here is N at a distance of 4 km. What is the distance? It is 4 km. Now what is next? P is in the south of O at a distance of 2 km. O is not given, so we will move forward. N is in the southeast of O. What is N is in the southeast of O? See, southeast is here. N is in the southeast of O. Okay, so here we can say that O is at this position, and at a distance of, O is in the southeast, so here we have seen the direction. So here is O at a distance of 1 kilometer, and N is in the southeast. Okay, we have done this portion. Now P is in the south of O at a distance of 2 kilometer. So P is in the south of O at a distance of 2 kilometer. Okay, this is the whole scenario given in the question, and we have to find the distance between M and P. So here is M, here is P. We have to find the distance between M and P. See, this question, according to the board, the question, if we will see the option, the question will become difficult. If we will solve simply, then it will be easier for us. But the board has given solution where you will see it is bit complicated. Now, see, here it is a triangle. Okay? What we know about a right angle triangle? So consider it as a right angle triangle. We know that if we will obligate this and this is a right angle triangle where this angle is 90 degree, this is 45, this is also 45 or anything else, but obviously this is hypotenuse, this is perpendicular, and this is base, and we know the formula h square equals to p square plus b square. Now we will go with the question. So here is the imaginary line here, and this is 1. So by the Pythagoras theorem we can say that this is hypotenuse and this is perpendicular and this is base. So if hypotenuse is 1, we can say that 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2 square, this will be equal to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 square. So here we can write 1 by root 2, here also 1 by root 2. Okay, this is clear. Now consider this. If we will see, if it is 4 and it is 3, then the hypotenuse, perpendicular is 4, base is 3, then the hypotenuse will be 5. What we have seen, hypotenuse is less than the sum of perpendicular and base. Okay, we have seen it. Now consider this line. What we have left, overall it was 2, the above it is 1 by root 2, then it is left with 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, clear it is. Now consider here, this will be also equal to what, 2 minus 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, now we will join this line. What it will be equal to, 1 by root 2. Okay, now what we have got overall, this is mn, okay, and this is op. Now we will join m to p. Okay, so here it is m and p. See, the base was 1 by root 2. Okay, the perpendicular here it is 4, then it is equal to 4 plus 2 minus root 2, then it is 6 minus 1 by root 2. Okay, now the hypotenuse, see what I have told, the hypotenuse is less than the sum of perpendicular and base. Here this is perpendicular and this is base, this is base and this is perpendicular. So if we will add them, then what we will get, then we will get 6, and it is obvious that hypotenuse will be less than 6. Now we will go to the question. Here is the question. This is greater than m and p is what, basically hypotenuse. You can say m here, p here, m here, p here, basically it is kya, hypotenuse. So it will be less than 6. Okay, now you will see this is greater than 6, so this shouldn't be answer. This also 5.34 will be the most probable answer. Okay, because it is just less than 6. Okay, so overall what we have learned here, I will clear it up. This is mn, this is no, and this is op. This is mn, this is no, and this is op. What we have done here, this is 1, this is 4, and this is 2. What we have done here, we have considered an imaginary line from here to here, and if hypotenuse is 1, then this will be equal to 1 by root 2, and this will be also equal to 1 by root 2. Now what we have extended this line to here, and we have joined this line, so this will be also equal to 1 by root 2, and now this is 1 by root 2, and overall it was 2, then the left portion will be equal to 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this line will be also equal to 2 minus 1 by root 2. Now we will consider the m and p line. So now what we have got, this is 4 plus 2 minus 1 by root 2, this is 1 by root 2, and this is the m and p line, what we have to find this line. So earlier we have discussed that perpendicular and base, we have discussed that perpendicular and base, the sum of perpendicular and base is always greater than the hypotenuse. So here we have what we have seen, the sum of perpendicular and base, if you will do, it will be 6. So the hypotenuse must be less than 6. So now according to the question, the correct answer is 5.34. This explanation was given by the board. Okay, that's why I am telling this. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Further I will come with the next videos. So thank you so much, and mention your doubt in the comment section. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day, all the best.